Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review, we are going to look at the share code function, which really is what I believe it's a free function, and I think it's quite an underrated and underestimated and unused function because what it means, it says, I'm on the LeadsLeap blog here. It says a number of you have been asking if you can share your landing page design with your leads. So a great example is one we use here with our team. And if you're not familiar with the share code, I'll just scroll down here and show you. Very, very simple. All it is just copy and paste. So you'll see on this page here, it's a training page for making money online by using LeadsLeap, using all the free tools. You'll see there, join LeadsLeap for free. Page share code. I'm just going to highlight this now. So what you would do is when you we give you all the tutorials here how to do it within this system we're sharing, this funnel here, but very, very simple to use. So let's just go back to the LeadsLeap blog, and it says here that the share code is available in SendSteed, which is the contact management and autoresponder system, and it's also extended to landing page builder and pop-up expert, so you can share with your leads and your team. You can share email, autoresponder and broadcast messages. You can share landing pages, and it's really and you can share the pop-up manager, the little pop-up that comes up to build the email list faster. So it says here, why should we share? So number one, share your landing page or pop-up design with your leads. Help them to duplicate what has worked for you. So this enables you. You don't have to worry about if somebody's like ourselves with our easy cash for ads system. You don't have to worry about creating landing pages, creating emails, creating pop-ups. All you do is work with us. So when you join LeadsLeap through us, or easy cash for ads through us, the links will be below in the description. We just give you a very simple share code, and we give you the guide of how to use it. And number two, build your own list by giving away a collection of your landing page and pop-up designs as well. And even though we use our own guide, it just tells you exactly here how to share. So the LeadsLeap blog is very, very informative. How to import your design, who can use the share code. So this is really important. You don't have to be a pro member. You can be a free member or a pro member, and all members can import a design using the share code. So let me just show a good example today here. Where's our little funnel we've created? So this is a sort of a really good example we use within our team. And if you want to join LeadsLeap and you want to copy this funnel, done for you funnel, then all you need to do first of all is two things. Click on the link in the description and watch this video, which is the easy cash for ads video, and you'll see here percentage of people joining after seeing this 5-minute video is over 68%. The next thing is to join LeadsLeap. You'll see I'm a member here, so I'll put a link in the description. And then what we do is we talk you through step by step exactly how to get qualified in easy cash for ads, how to set up your splash page and team rotator, again using the share code. So we give you the video tutorials, we even give you it's just copy and paste. We even put you into a team rotator with this funnel to help get you leads and sales. And you'll see it's all very, very simple. We even give you the traffic for this funnel. Here we are, section 5, get your own free training page like this, page share code, and there it is there. Just highlighted that for you. So very, very simple. And if you're looking to join LeadsLeap, if you haven't joined yet, it is totally free to join. So you've got nothing to lose. You might as well join and set up a free account and start to use it. You can build any business online with LeadsLeap. If you want to join our Easy Cash for Ads team, then there'll be a link in the description. Join LeadsLeap for free, use our share codes, set up your free funnel. You can advertise your funnel in LeadsLeap. And then I've also put a couple of other advertising resources here that I use, free to join advertising resources, which are Herculist and also Traffic Ad Bar. So I use those to advertise my affiliate offers. And both of these sites, Herculist and Traffic Ad Bar and LeadsLeap, all three of these include buyers. So it's important to advertise where the buyers are. So if you've enjoyed the video, please give me a big blue thumbs up and a like, and click subscribe and click the bell icon if you would like to see more of my videos. I've done over 240 videos on how to make money online, and I'll put a LeadsLeap review playlist. I'll pin that to the top comment under this video if you want some more LeadsLeap reviews and find out more about how it can help you build your business online. So thanks very much for watching, and any questions, please put those in the comments. Thanks for taking the time for watching my video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.